dishcloth, and that is knit from corner to corner and to create the final shape, which is a square, as you can see there. I have done my increases because we started down here at this bottom corner. I have done my increases to there, and I'm now on the decreases. So I'm just going to show you how we do the decreases. So I'm at the start of a row and we slip the first stitch purlwise with the yarn in front. So I'm holding the yarn in the front of my work, and I take my right hand needle and just put it up through the front as if I'm going to purl, and slip that stitch off, and then take the yarn around to the back because the next stitch is a knit stitch. No, it's not actually, sorry, the next stitch is, because we're doing an SKP, which is the decrease, so the next stitch is a slip stitch, and we slip knitwise this time. So our needle goes into the front of the stitch and under the left needle as if we're going to knit it, but we just slide it off. Our next stitch is a knit stitch, so we just knit that one normally, so the yarn is coming from the first stitch round the back and knit it off, and then we pass that slip stitch, that middle one, over the top and just drop it, and that's an SKP, or slip knit pass over. And then we knit to the end, and we turn and start our next row and do it exactly the same way. So I will just show you that again in a minute. Okay, I've finished a row and I'm ready to do my decrease again. So it's happening at the start of every row. We slip the first stitch purlwise with our yarn in the front, so just slip that one off. Then we take our yarn around to the back of our work as if we're going to knit, slip the next stitch knitwise, so knit the next stitch. So the yarn is coming around from that first stitch, knitting that one off, and then we are picking up that slip stitch and passing it over the top, and that is an SKP, and we have decreased one, and now we knit to the end. So we continue that, repeating that row until there are 3 stitches left, where you can then just cast off the 3 stitches or create an I-cord loop, so you can hang your dishcloth on a hook. And I will do an I-cord loop in the next video.